Good morning, dear students. Once again, we are here to discuss our DOE worksheet 50. And as you know, we are doing our chapter tissue. In our previous worksheet, we have already completed plant tissue, and today we will discuss about the animal tissue. In animal tissue, we are going to discuss epithelium tissue, right? So, Gyan asked, does our body also get protected from outside by the tissue like plants? Then Didi replied, yes, animals have epithelium tissue that cover the body and provide the protection from outside. Right? We have epithelium tissue that cover our body and provide protection from outside. And and their main function is to cover the body, internal organs and cavities within the body. It protects the it covers the body or internal organs of the body as well as the cavity. It forms barrier to keep different body systems separate. It provide a kind of barrier between the different body organ system from each other within the body. Therefore, it provides the protection to the body and the skin, the lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, lung, alveoli, etc. are all made up of epithelium tissue and they are tightly packed and form continuous sheet. They have small amount of cementing material between them and almost no intracellular spaces are there. So this is all about your epithelium tissue. It provides protection from the body to the body, and the tissue is in where it is found in skin, lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, lung, alveoli, etc. All these organs are made up of epithelium tissue and they are tightly packed and form container sheet, and they have the small amount of cementing material between them and they have no intracellular spaces. There are four types, right? Squamous epithelium and stratified, second cuboidal, third columnar, and fourth is granular. So mainly they are of four types. First, we will be going to study about the squamous epithelium and stratified squamous epithelium tissue. They are extremely thin and flat and form a delicate lining. The inner lining of the mouth, esophagus, cell lining of blood vessel or alveoli where diffusion of a substance occur. They all are made up of squamous epithelium. Function of squamous epithelium is the squamous epithelium of the skin are arranged in many layers to form stratified squamous epithelium tissue and to prevent wear and tear, right? So this is all about your first squamous epithelium tissue and stratified squamous epithelium tissue, right? Second, we have columnar. Uh, Columnar tissues, it is found where the absorption and the secretion occur, right, as the inner lining of the intestinal and respiratory tract. The cell of the columnar epithelium tissue are columnar type. They are the columnar type. See this. They are in column shape, columnar type, and the cells of the columnar epithelium tissue are column type, and the columnar epithelium cells in the respiratory tract has hair. In this, hairs are present which are called as finger-like projections called cilia. They have, sorry, not finger-like projection, they have hair-like projection, right? Columnar epithelium cells in the respiratory tract have hair-like projection. If there are finger-like projection, they are called as uh, they are different, and these are called hair-like projections, so called as cilia, right? And hair-like projections called cilia, which help in the movement of square mucus out of the tract. Such type of epithelial tissue is also known as ciliated columnar epithelium tissue. Right? Next we have cuboidal. These are the cells. These cuboidal cells of this tissue form the inner lining of the duct of salivary gland and kidney. These cuboidal tissue are present in salivary glands as well as kidney, and they provide the mechanical strength to them. It provides mechanical strength, and the cell often act as a gland cells and secrete substance at the epithelial surface. And lastly, we have granular epithelium. Sometime a portion of the cuboidal epithelium tissue folds. See the diagram of this tissue. See this is it get fold. Okay, so sometime a portion of cuboidal epithelium get fold inward, and multicellular gland is formed which secretes many type of substance, for example saliva, sweat, mucus and tears, etc. So this is all about your today's worksheet. Let's do practice exercise. We have first, what are the function of epithelium tissue and where they are located. So you have to write all these. The animal have epithelium tissue that cover the body and provide the protection from the outside. Mainly function is to cover the body, internal organ and cavities of the body. It forms a barrier to keep the different body systems separate out. Therefore, it provides the protection to the body. Where they are located in the skin, lining of the mouth, lining of the blood vessel, lung, alveoli, etc. In all these, they are present. They are made up of epithelium tissue. They are tightly packed and form continuous sheet. So you have to write all these, right? What are different type of epithelium tissue? We have four type of epithelium tissue: squamous epithelium, cuboidal, columnar, and granular. Where is columnar epithelium located? So answer of first question is this, second is this, and where is the columnar? Third question, where is the columnar epithelium located? Write its function. So where they are located? They are located in the inner lining of the intestine and respiratory tract. Columnar. So you have to write all these points, right? This is the answer of your third question. Fourth, your difference between granular and cuboidal. So you have to write this granular and cuboidal in the tabular form. This is the answer of your fourth question, these two. So this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you understand it. So like the video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you, bache. Take care. Bye bye.